In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit drafts on the Substack app. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, knowing how to fine-tune your content is crucial for delivering the perfect message to your audience. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First off, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Substack account. And to do this efficiently, it's best to use a web browser. While it's convenient to use the app for some tasks, logging in via a browser provides a more comprehensive view of your dashboard and all its functionalities. So, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, your next stop is the dashboard. This is essentially your command center on Substack, where you can manage your posts, newsletters, and more. Finding your dashboard is straightforward. Right after logging in, you should be automatically directed there, but if not, look for the dashboard option typically found on the sidebar menu. With the dashboard now on your screen, the next step is to click on the Posts tab. This tab is crucial because it opens up the world of your written content on Substack, displaying everything you've worked on, from published pieces to those still in draft form. You'll find the Posts tab clearly labelled, often at the top of the page, or along the sidebar, making it easy to access at any time. Now that you're in the Posts section, direct your attention to the Drafts section. The Drafts section is specifically where all of your unpublished posts reside. Essentially, it acts as a holding area where you can keep working on your writing until it's ready to be shared with your audience. Clicking on Drafts will display all your unpublished masterpieces, ready for any edits you might have in mind. To start editing, click on the draft you wish to work on. By clicking on a draft, you'll open it and be able to make changes. It's here that the magic happens, where you can refine your language, adjust your arguments, and ensure every word is just right. Spend as much time as you need here. This is your chance to perfect your writing before hitting that publish button. And there you have it. Editing drafts on the Substack app is as simple as that. Just remember, starting on your browser gives you a complete view of all the features available to enhance your writing process. Keep drafting, editing, and most importantly, enjoying the art of writing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Substack drafts with ease.